Spyderco knife for an Orlando gun show. You squeeze them in there tight, draw through. Keep the pressure on it, bring the back of the knife up. These Spyderco knives will feel real slippery in there. That's because they're very hard steel. I'm gonna guess a D2 steel. Right here. Hit them on a piece of leather or cardboard when you're done. That polishes the edge, gives you a little bit more on it. 31. Get them good? Got them today, 20 bucks each, 2 for 30. Made in America, made to last. We put our name and website right on our handles. You can roll charades in the middle too. It makes it vibrate, will not hurt them. I've done every style possible. Makes the rated knives much sharper than new also.
It does the rate.
20 each, 2 for 30.
Yes, ma'am.
So, what about kitchen?
All your kitchen knives.
All my kitchen.
All your kitchen knives.
Y'all got any knives back there? We'll sharpen them up, show you these work. We're American made, we'll do any blade.
So how did you do this?
2 for 30? Correct.
It's the rated one's going in.
Yes, ma'am.
So, you have a difficult decision to make.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it. 2 for 30, guys.
There's the pink.
Brought the knife up. Let's see. Thank you very much.
You got to move anytime.
Yeah. Yeah? The pink one you're not going to lose. I don't know what I really wanted. I saw that when you walked by me earlier. Yeah.
All right.
20.
2 for 30. Take guys, pick anything you like.
I got
You
this.
got one? You got that? There's live videos on the website if you need them. Website's on the handle.
Pretty much every adult uses a knife of some sort, whether you're cooking, hunting, fishing, or working. Therefore, pretty much every adult could use the Block Knife Sharpener, the hottest selling handheld knife sharpener in America. These sharpeners take little to no steel off your blade and deliver razor-sharp results. The Block Knife Sharpener is great for fillet knives, kitchen knives, pocket knives, everyday work tools, and more. A dull blade's actually more dangerous than one that's sharp. Stay safe with the Block Knife Sharpener. See demonstrations or order online, blocksharpener.net. Lifetime guarantee and free shipping within 24 hours.
Anybody else carry a knife? We'll show you it works. American made, I'll sharpen any blade, y'all.
I'll use the last show in our kitchen. It's our go-to sharpener. It's fantastic.
Thank you.